So if you're like me, with a man in your life, husband, brother, son, who basically has everything they want, they don't have it, they get it on a whim, and you're having a hard time finding gifts for them. So I have 5 great Amazon ideas for gifts for these types of guys. So let's get started with the first one. Okay, so the first gift idea that I absolutely know my husband loved, and any guy in your life that loves beer will love it too. This is a Mr. Beer Brewing Kit. It comes with everything you need to brew beer. It takes only 30 minutes. It comes with reusable bottles. It comes with the beer that you need, all the ingredients you need to make your own beer. My husband absolutely loved this. Loved being able to brew his own beer, sort of tweak the ingredients a little to make, the beer specialized to him. Super easy to order more beer to brew. You just order it, it comes, and then you can go ahead and batch more. My husband loved bragging to his friends about the beer that he was brewing, being able to take samples to work with him to let people try. So I definitely feel like this is an amazing gift for somebody who loves beer to get for the holidays. The next item is a beard grooming kit. This one comes with beard oil, shampoo, combs. This one even comes with little ornaments that you can hang in your beard for the holidays. Significance of the wooden comb is that it keeps the oils and everything in the wood, and as you're using it to brush through your beard, those oils are redistributed back into the hair, so it's just healthier for their beards. Information that you find out when you have a husband who's sort of into beards and that kind of thing. I love this kit because all the ingredients are all natural. It has even trimmers in there. It has a little bit of everything for that man in your life that has a beard and who is sort of obsessed. These kits are super affordable, and it has a ton of products in there for your beards or your men's beards. Another great item to get for the guy in your life that seems to have everything are these slim carbon fit wallets. My husband got one maybe last year. I had no idea what they were and was like, what the hell is that? When he showed it to me, I was absolutely amazed. These little wallets hold a lot of stuff. They're super slim, but they hold up to 12 cards. It also has a little money clip on the outside so you can hold your money on there. These also come with belt clips so you can clip it onto your belt or whatever you need to clip it on. They have a blocking technology, so when people are trying to scan your cards through your wallet or steal your information, all your cards and your information are kept safe because there is material in these wallets that blocks all that. Not only slim and easy to carry, but it also protects your cards when you have it in your pocket. My husband's always getting compliments and questions about where he got it, what it is, when people see it. So definitely a great idea for somebody who doesn't want to carry big bulky wallets around anymore. The next item is a car cleaning kit. So this sounds simple as can be, but if your guy is into keeping their car or their truck immaculate, there's a lot of good items in this little kit. There are 9 items. There's window dusters, tire brushes, wheel brushes, because those are different, microfiber towels, all kinds of things that they'll need to keep their vehicle nice and clean. It also comes in this cute little case so that it's all kept in one area. It's easy to pick up and move around. They're not having to search for all their items when they want to go clean their car. They can actually just probably keep it in the trunk or under a seat because it looks like the case is small enough to do so. Yeah, so if you have somebody in your life that is obsessed with their car and keeping it clean, something as simple as a car cleaning kit would be a great gift for that person. So the 5th and last item are these Sling Backpacks. So I really like this Sling Backpack because it's not super bulky, it's nice and streamlined. There's a lot of compartments, but they're not bulky, so it doesn't look like a bag or a purse. The size of this one is perfect. There's enough room for, keys, for a phone, any, thing that they need to carry around that they just don't want to carry in their hands. Be worn different ways, across the chest, on the back like a backpack, just in your hand if you want to. Waterproof, so if they're maybe wearing it while they're working out, or it's just, you don't have to worry about your items getting wet. Super affordable and very, very durable. Okay, everybody, so those are the 5 gift ideas. Super affordable, and I feel like they get a lot of good use out of a lot of these items. Comment below if you guys have checked any of these items out already, or if your husband or son or brother, whoever, has already used some of these products. I will make sure to link everything in the description box below so you guys can check it out as well. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time.